Welcome, gut feeler, to this guided gut healing meditation to support your digestive system, to heal faster, support your body's self-healing capacity that is always there. To start, please find a comfortable position. It can be sitting up or lying, whatever feels most comfortable to you. Now, to prepare for the best gut healing results and to relax your digestive system more and activate your parasympathicus, I invite you to take your right hand to your left shoulder, massage your left shoulder a few moments, and then cross that hand from the left shoulder to the right hip bone, to the outside hip bone. And continue on the other side. Use your left hand to touch your right shoulder. Massage a few moments into the shoulder and then cross over that hand from the right shoulder to the left hip in front of your body. It's a very simple movement. So repeat your right hand to your left shoulder, crossing over the right hand to your right hip. And then again, the left hand to the right shoulder, massaging a few moments into the shoulder, and then crossing from the right shoulder to the left hip. Do this in your own time a few more times. This helps to relax your nervous system, activate your parasympathicus, which is very essential for a smooth and complete digestion. And it also helps you to become more present and energizes your body. And then bring this movement to an end and gently rest your hands in your lap or wherever it's most comfortable for you. And now bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe in through your nose together with me right now, if you can, if not through your mouth. Hold the breath for a few moments, allowing the oxygen to be distributed in your body. And breathe out through your nose if you can. And hold the breath there. And then breathe in again. Hold the breath. Out, hold. One more time, in, hold, out, and hold. Now return back to normal breathing, and I invite you to draw your awareness from the outside world, from all the busyness, from all the things that you might have to do afterwards or before, everything that is not here right now, to the sensations, to inwards, almost like a magnetic soak inwards to the sensations in your body. This might be uncomfortable if you're not used to this, because we've not been told to really feel our body and to focus on, especially if there is any discomfort, any symptoms, any pain. We usually been told to draw away the awareness. Right now we are doing the opposite, because the real healing happens with awareness and with gentle attention and energy. So while you are drawing your awareness inside your body and simply feeling what's there right now, there's so much going on in your body every millisecond of your life. And then finding the area that is most dominant, most present in your sensational exploration of your body. Maybe that's the area that is in pain right now, discomfort. Maybe you feel some acidity in your throat or in your stomach, any pain or bloating or trapped gas or whatever it is, just find that area right now that is most present. And this is really where the magic happens right now, because healing is so simple. Healing is so simple. Not always easy, but it's very simple. It's not complicated. Right now we don't attempt to heal anything, because the healing happens by grace. It happens by itself. That your body does that. What we do is we change from running away, from moving away, from fixing something, to bringing the awareness into that symptom. Because in the end, it's all physical sensations. Don't worry if the sensation, when you bring your presence into it, might get a little bit bigger right now. It's a good sign. That means you have contact. Your symptoms will not get worse by bringing your attention to them. All it does is it helps the body to heal whatever is going on faster. So if you can make that jump of faith with me together right now, I highly value your trust in yourself and for the time you take to do this exercise, to really connect with the beautiful, magnificent body that you have, that you might just start to love and to appreciate. And with your in-breath, imagine that you breathe in, like all around you is golden white light. It's a golden white healing light. And with your in-breath, you breathe this light in through your nose and you send it with your awareness to the area that needs it right now. So imagine you are kind of in a bubble, like surrounded by golden white healing light. It's almost like this magic fairy dust. And you breathe it in and you send it to this area in your body that needs it the most. And this is a very gentle process. Just use your imagination, and your intention is incredibly powerful, more powerful than anything, any food, any vitamin that you can take. So moving the light, the golden white light, through your breath into the area that you've chosen to work with. When I say work with, I mean presence. There's nothing to do for you here. Nothing, you don't do the healing. The body does the healing. What we do right now with this guided meditation is to use your awareness to help the body focus on that area and bring more energy to it. And maybe you already have a sensation right now, if you're doing this a few moments, that this area gets warmer. Maybe the sensation, maybe the pain, the discomfort gets bigger. That's a good sign. That might not make sense for your head. I can tell you it's a good sign because it means you have contact. Contact is the first step to healing anything. You cannot heal what you're not connected to. So we have contact. Maybe that area also changes. It happens sometimes. That's okay. If that area moves, if the discomfort or the pain moves to another area, you can gently move your awareness and the light you're sending through your breath there too. Just make sure you're consistent. Kind of holding your awareness for as long as possible in this one area that you've chosen in your body, this one spot. You're doing a really good job. Even if you feel like nothing is happening, it's impossible that nothing is happening. If you're doing this for the first time, you might like, oh my God, the mind is talking, this is not working, it's getting worse. Don't worry about it. Allow the mind to talk and bring your awareness back to the sensation, to the imagination of the gold white light that surrounds you like fairy dust. And that you breathe in through your nose, sending it to this area in your body, in your stomach, in your gut, your liver. Just repeat again and again. You're basically charging this area with life force, with light. The faster your cells vibrate, the more they are able to heal themselves. Viruses and bacteria vibrate at a different level than healthy cells. What you can do with this meditation is to amp up the vibration of your cells by intention. Intention is the most powerful tool you have, more powerful than any food, pill, vitamin, but it works more gently. It works slower, but more lasting. That's why I recommend you to do this meditation over and over again. You can stay there if you want with your awareness, if you have some time. If not, gently bring your awareness back to your whole body. And then I count from 3 to 1. 3, 2, 1. Welcome back. You can open your eyes gently, be fully present in the here and now and back, ready for what the day still has installed for you, or ready to start a good night's sleep.